Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Dipali and welcome back to Codem. It's been so long that I have posted some video, so here is fresh start. In this video, we are going to see what is Amazon Q plugin and how we can use that plugin to improve our code and how it can help us to achieve the code coverage and whatever the developer wants to do in his project. So let's not waste any time and jump into that topic. So as you can see on the screen, this is what the Amazon Q extension looks like. Okay. And we have to install that. So I'll just click on the install, and it is installing, and you will see that Amazon Q here. See, we got our Amazon Q. We will get the we will get two options to log in. First is personal and the second one is company. Since we are doing it for the personal stuff, we will use the personal option. After logging in successfully, we will get to see the chat window. In the chat window, you just have to write a query. Just a simple concept it is. This is AI and we just have to give a prompt like what do you want to solve any compilation error, to add any test class, or to see like what is the coverage of my class, test coverage of my class, or many other things. So to achieve that, we just have to use this AI. This AI will help us to like to do something better about our project. It is very time saving process, so that is why it is very useful. So if I just show you my project. This was some basic project I have had in my system, so I'm just using this to show you guys how we can use the Amazon Q. And this was a small API project. I'll just write a query first. I'll show you like how the Amazon Q responds. So we'll just ask him what is JUnit. See, JUnit is a popular open source testing framework for Java application. It's a part of XUnit family and many more. This is the answer of it. And so yeah, this is working. So let's do something on our project. What I can ask. Uh, Instead of existing project, you can give your project name also. It is automatically detects. It is reading the files also. It is creating the file. As you can see, the file has created and 37 lines are added. Okay, so it has created. Since this is this Amazon Q has created our test classes, we'll see how we can run these test cases in the next video. Stay tuned, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Tech Coding.